Oh, that's the best. The trees. The tree.
I gotta zoom in.
Okay. You're funny, dude. Ooh. Nice.
You can watch them on the phone now.
Yep. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, that is nice. Ooh, that is nice.
Of course, you know when I show this, it looks so close. I'm gonna say I'm standing right under them. I always say I'm standing in a dangerous spot. You know that.
I don't know where to look. Look at Union Beach. How nice. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. Joe, you should be taping Union Beaches.
We're gonna have like the same kind of finale here.
Look at wow. Oh, that's pretty. Come on, do the tree one. Ooh, that's nice too. That is pretty. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Wow. Ooh, gold. I like the gold.
I got that one too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That one you don't even see a trail.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow, that's the best one, the gold.
Yeah. You know when I'm showing this, your voice is going to be on. The phone
Wow.
also records.
Oh no, I don't want my voice on there.
Don't worry about it. Only a select few are going to see it, like counselors and stuff like that. I'm not going to go showing all on Gateway. You know?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
My arm's getting tired.
Ooh, wow, right in our faces. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, Union Beach is definitely over. Nice. Those are the best, those trees. Ooh. I saw a man's arm.
Blue one.
I saw a man's arm lighting firework.
Maybe they are lighting them. They must have like a long lighter or something.
Yep. Oh, those are the best, those trees. Look at that. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that was good.
We'll be watching this for a long time.
Yeah.
Now that I got it on the phone. It's already 4 minutes and 20 seconds of fireworks. Nothing but fireworks.
Yep. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God.
As long as I keep the phone in one spot, it seems like they keep sending them up in the same spot. That's good. I don't have to move around. Except sometimes they explode in different spots. I'm going to be right in the middle of the phone. Bing.
Wow. Oh, that was nice.
I'm gonna get all these fucking fireworks next year.
Wow.
That one you didn't even see a trail. At least not on the phone. Oh, there we go. There's a trail.
Yep.
Another one.
Wow. Oh, right in our faces.
They're all right in our faces.
Ugh. Wow.
It's funny when they explode before the bang.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Wow. Yeah, that was nice. That was the best one.
I could set these off all night. You know?
Ooh, look. The gold. I love the gold. Ooh, right.
I could set these fuckers off all night. You know that, don't you?
What do they look like, Joseph? Fireworks.
They got like a stick on them, so you can stick it in a pole.
Okay.
And it's like a round tube with a freaking fuse in it.
Oh.
You'll see what they look like when I get them.
Wow. That is my favorite tree.
They must be getting ready to quit.
Ooh. Whoa, that is beautiful.
You know how they do the finale? Like I said, they press a button. They probably got them set up already.
Oh.
Who can light that many fireworks off that quick?
Yeah, I know. Oh, I can't wait to go on the rides. My feet hurt. I'm standing in one spot.
I know. If I was sitting on the bench, I wouldn't be able to get this view, though, to record.
I know, I know.
At least now we can watch them again later.
Yep. Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Some good old-fashioned pyrotechnics.
Yep. Oh, now they're going off a lot. Come on, make it a tree. Ooh, that was pretty. It changed into purple. Oh.
That one took a little while.
Yep. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is nice. Yep.
Because it takes fire to explode them. Why are they called fireworks, the kid says.
Fucking stupid. I'll knock them the fuck out.
He's a kid.
That's the best, the tree. That's what I call it. I'll still knock them the fuck out.
The halo.
I'll still knock him the fuck out. Fucking put him out of his fucking misery. I'm a very bad person. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Well, you're a good person to me, anyway.
Yeah, I know. I'm just very evil. Not to people that are good to me like you.
Not the people you care about, that
I
is.
know. Yeah.
People could be good to you and you don't care about them and you fuck them.
Wow. Oh, it turned into blue. pretty. That is nice. That is pretty. Oh my.
For some reason, this won't film the red. See, I didn't even see that red trail.
Oh my God.
If I was closer, it would probably film the red, but fuck it.
There's another guy. See with his arms in the air with his phone?
Yeah. He's got his phone sideways. He's getting them better. I zoomed in.
Oh, okay.
I better zoom out a little. I get more of the firework when I zoom out. Less of the trail, though.
Pretty. Nice. Ooh.
Sorry.
That looks like Orion's belt.
Ryan who?
Orion's belt. It's a constellation in the stars.
Oh, really?
I'll show it to you when it's a clear night. So, you know, when it's clear, you can see all the constellations,
Yeah.
like the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper,
Yep,
all that.
I know what you're talking
Orion's belt is one of them.
Ooh.
It's like three dots in a row. It's hard to miss. Can't see the stars tonight.
It's gonna be a good one.
Yeah. Boom!
Nice. Wow. Ooh.
Bang, bang, boom. There was two in that one.
Yep.
Either that or it set more off.
Oh, it turned into the tree.
Yes,
it looks
it
like
did.
It's coming at me. It's cool as shit.
The Weeping Willow.
Yep, Weeping Willow.
Bang. Already 12 minutes and 21 seconds. They usually do these for like a half hour,
Oh, okay.
and then they do the finale.
Yep.
They must have like a fucking truckload of these things. That's what I'm going to do when we go to Arkansas, you know? I got to switch hands with the phone.
Wow, here we go. Nice. Wow. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Holy shit. Oh
Look
my
at the
God,
phone,
it's so
you can't even
close.
tell them.
I know. Wow.
It just looks like a machine gun firing up.
Wow. Oh my God.
I wish Donna was still there. I'd show her this tape.
Yeah, I know, right? There's a Weeping Willow.
Be like,
That
look,
was
look
nice.
what I recorded at Uncle Hank's boardwalk.
It's done. It's over. That was it? All right.
I guess so. I don't see any more going up.
We go on the roller coaster now, Joseph.
Yeah, if any more go off, it's just going to be like one or two.
That was nice.
Look, there's a finale going on somewhere back there.
Oh,
You can't
okay.
see it, but you see the sky flickering.
That was the finale?
Yeah, now you hear the fire engines coming. They're going to spray down the fucking thing with
All
water.
right, come on, Joe. Oh my God.
They're going to spray down that fucking pier with water now.
Everyone, here, go now.